Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. The transition to electric vehicles in Egypt, like anywhere else, comes with its own set of unique challenges and growing pains. While the promise of cleaner air and quieter streets is appealing, the road to get there is far from simple. The biggest hurdle? Upfront cost. EVs are still pricier than petrol cars, even with tax breaks. For many Egyptians, the sticker shock is hard to ignore, especially when traditional cars are so familiar and widely available. For many families, that's a tough leap, despite long-term savings. The idea of saving money on fuel and maintenance is attractive, but the initial investment can feel out of reach for the average household. The used EV market is also new and uncertain. People worry about battery life and replacement costs. Unlike petrol cars, where the risks are well known, electric vehicles bring new questions about how long batteries will last and how expensive they are to replace. Trust and standards for second-hand EVs need to grow. Buyers want reassurance that a used EV won't surprise them with hidden costs or sudden breakdowns, and mechanics are still learning the ropes. There's also a knowledge gap. Most people know petrol cars, but EVs are unfamiliar territory. Many drivers are unsure about how to operate or maintain an electric vehicle, and myths persist. Myths and questions abound. Can you drive in the rain? Will the battery suddenly die in the middle of nowhere? These uncertainties make some hesitant to make the switch. What if you run out of power? Range anxiety is real, especially when charging stations aren't everywhere. The fear of being stranded is a major concern for new adopters. Education is key, and it's a work in progress. Workshops, community events, and online resources are slowly helping people understand the benefits and realities of EV ownership. Infrastructure is another challenge. Chargers are mostly in big cities and along highways. For now, charging your car is easy if you live in Cairo or Alexandria, but much harder elsewhere. For those in rural areas or apartment blocks, charging can be tricky. Many homes don't have private parking, and public chargers are few and far between outside urban centers. Solving these issues is crucial for mass adoption. It will take coordinated efforts from government, industry, and communities to make EVs accessible for everyone. The road to an all-electric Egypt has bumps, but none are insurmountable. With determination, innovation, and a willingness to learn, these obstacles can be overcome. The journey is just beginning, and every challenge faced today brings us one step closer to a cleaner, more sustainable future for all.